guys, this is Monica, and today we're just going to look really quickly at the logo that I have been testing out at different social media spots since I created it several months ago. Wanted to know here on YouTube what your opinion is on the left side logo versus the logo on the right hand side where I have the background. It's sort of like a multicolored doily. When I go to where I have these things posted on various social medias, let's click over to there. This is just the main website, but let's say at Instagram. I have the one that is posted here, little doily, and you can see this is a round circle that is at Instagram. Most of these types of logos are kind of rounded, but because I have the white background behind the doily, I mean, it could be square, it could be any shape. But the social media, like Twitter, I believe is also round. Yes, it is rounded. I do like that I can see that peekaboo of color because I do also have color up here in the header at Twitter. Instagram, you don't really have a header situation, so it's just all bland, which is another reason why I do like the color of the doily in the background behind the camera. And at our Facebook, the group is actually just this header up here at the top. As far as the group icon, if I were to click on here for the shortcut, I can actually change how this little group icon appears. I think the last one I tried out was a camera. I tried to find something that looked artistic, but it just keeps going back default after several months to the little group icon with the little 3 people. What's your opinion on these? Let me know what you think. The various polls at social media, most people are saying that they do like this doily. Here at the Google Plus page, which I mean hardly anybody ever uses Google Plus, but you can see it's very small. So in this instance here at Google, I could probably take the plain look, this one here to the left that has just the white background and it's the camera only, and pop that in over here at the Google so that it stands out a little bit better. Whereas over at Instagram, it really looks good that you can see the doily. It's nice large size. Same thing at Twitter, of course. So let me know, what do you think about the various logo options that I have? Either the plain over here to the left or the more colorful doily version on the right. I hope everyone's doing well for 2019 so far. I know this is just a really quick, sort of like a poll type survey of a video. It's not really any kind of tutorial, but I'm trying to keep some kind of content active during the move process while I'm going to Kentucky so that you're not missing out on anything. So I hope that this is interesting to you. If you've already answered this question on my various social media polls, that's fine. I would appreciate you also leaving a comment here on this video to let me know your opinion if you don't mind. And if you have any other suggestions for a different type of logo, I'll gladly accept those suggestions as well. And then after I've gotten moved to Kentucky and I've got my internet up and running and an office so that I can actually edit videos again, I will be considering possibly maybe changing this up, and your feedback is much appreciated in that process as well. I appreciate your patience with me during this time. Have a craftacular day, y'all. Bye!